Wind advisory up for tomorrow. Could see some gusts, especially in some of the higher terrains. You get out west of I-81, near 50. So yeah, I know my trash day is tomorrow night, man. Whew, buckle them down. Here are the temperatures right now. It's kind of raw and chilly, mid 40s to low 40s. Lewistown only 37 right now. Now as we zoom out to Carlisle, yeah, there are some brighter spots trying to show up, and I do think we could see a few breaks in the clouds. That's not the story, though, as we go through the evening. Right now, the winds aren't a problem. Northwest at 6, 43 with cloudy skies in Carlisle. We could see a few breaks, but mostly cloudy. Could be a sprinkle. It's just kind of raw, you know, that temperature's near 40 degrees. Overnight, we're looking at 30s. The winds start to increase late tonight, but not a problem. So tomorrow's the impact day, and it's because of the wind. This is a nor'easter. Another 93. No, we're not even going to get anything more than a few scattered snow showers. I could, though, as you get up in the Schuylkill, Lebanon valleys, watch, you could see a snow squall. Brief one tomorrow. It's not out of the question, but again, the story of the winds could gust to near 50 miles an hour tomorrow afternoon. Here's the storm. You almost see an eye to the center of the storm, and it's actually tracking out to sea. So as it tracks out to sea, then it's going to turn up toward New England. It's going to be a major blizzard for parts of New England. We're kind of in between in terms of the precipitation, not the winds, though. That's going to be our main impact. Temperatures, yeah, it's kind of chilly and raw, 30s up in Bradford, and we're only a week away from spring. Look at the rainy, raw day, heavy rain, high surf down the shore. You see the winds coming, northeast winds. That's why we call them nor'easter. So through the evening hours, not a big problem. You know, maybe a stray rain or snow shower. Temperatures lower 40s. We fall down to 30s tonight. Now, we get a little wraparound moisture. We could get a rain or snow shower tomorrow, but I think it's going to be cold enough aloft for some snow showers, particularly you get up toward the Lebanon and Schuylkill valleys. That's where I'd favor those, but temperatures only in the 30s. Here's the story. By midnight tonight, we start getting gusts 20, 25. Tomorrow morning, maybe 30, 35. But look at the wind gusts from the predictor as we go through tomorrow afternoon. You're talking upwards of 40 miles an hour wind gusts. But I could see upwards on some of the higher elevations near that 50-degree mark. So it's going to make it feel pretty chilly, like 20s to near 30 all day long through the day for tomorrow. So near 40 tomorrow, but again, it's the strong wind gusts really the factor. Temperatures stay near 40, making an impact day. Still windy, but less wind, more sun, a little better, not as harsh on Wednesday. Now Thursday, milder. Look at that. We get into the 50s. St. Pat's Day, could be a shower later in the day, but I think it's a breezy, mild kind of day with temperatures up near 60 degrees.